Alright, so the last time we left off on the tomato. And here it is. I'm gonna leave these alone for now. Okay. I'm gonna give it its own layer. Right, this one. Have it selected. Click on that. Underscore tomato. Maybe give it color. Save. And I'm gonna turn back on some of my stuff. This one. This one. Oh god. This one. Right. This annoys me. I gotta give it a shader. So in class I went over making these shaders. So I'm not gonna go over that. I'm just gonna give it a texture. Why does it do that? Alright, so yeah. That was a small glitch with the burger and the king. The colors wouldn't change. Okay, so here we are. And here is the tomato. Right. And right now it's huge. But I'm just gonna leave it for now. I kinda like it big. Oh. Design wise yeah, big old tomato slice. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna hide it for now. Cause we're gonna make the cheese slice. So it'll be quick, won't be painful or cause too much headache. So we're gonna create using a polygon primitive. As always, create polygon primitives cube, right? So what are we gonna do with this cube, right? Well, we're gonna turn into, obviously, like I mentioned, a cheese slice. So, but the first thing I need to do is make it the right size. So we're gonna use scaling. Press R, and I'm gonna just pull. All right, pull something like that to get this size. Now I'm gonna pull this way, pull, and pull. Okay. Then it's a little way too fat, so pull it down like that. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Press W. Pull it up. If that was too fast, just rewind the video, and you can watch it again. On YouTube, there's a way to slow it down, so you can do that. And like I mentioned before, when we modeled these guys, right, and they were perfectly aligned with the 3D grid, you see, our object as well, okay, is also perfectly from the zero alignment. That's 0, 0, 0, 3D space, and when we pull it up, it's perfectly aligned with the rest of our object. That's what I mean by that part is so important. Because I used to just grab things and drag them around and start modeling way over here, and I had to go back and put it right in place again, you know? Anyway, so I want to make this, maybe, you know, you could just use your own judgment with something like this, and we're gonna bend it as well, so it'll be more pleasing to look at. Right now it just looks like a tall plank. Don't move these guys, not just yet. Just, I think this is kind of tight, but we will realign them after. Right now I'm just getting the general shape. As you notice, I'm only pulling up and down. I'm not yanking left to right. spacebar, spacebar. Alright, I'm looking this over here. Okay. Things seems to be alright. Okay. Option 5 for wireframe. Now that we did that, let me hide this and this. Alright, so I'm gonna just pull this up. I need spans. I need spans because that will allow us to bend the object, because we will be learning another tool called the bend deformer. And it's not too complicated, but it's super powerful in shaping things and bending things. So what we're gonna do, you know what, this part here is bugging me. I'll make it 18 and 18. Yeah, 18, 18. Let me just double check something. Yeah, I like that better. And so we have to add subdivisions. So it's gonna be 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5, and then 5 for the depth going across, and then for here subdivision is gonna be 2. Yeah. Or should I just make it 1? And then I can add a bevel after that. Yeah. 5, 1, and 5. Yeah. So yeah, it is 5, 1, and 5. Just double checked myself. So 5, 1, and 5. Again, the reason why is for the bend deformers, and also for modeling. Because when we're gonna model the bevels right now, and I was gonna go with 2 over here, but I just kept 2, 1, and you'll see why. I have this selected. I make sure that I'm happy with the size. Before you add bevels, you have to be happy with the size. And just in case, let's just do a simple planar mapping on this guy. Yeah. So right now, this is what we have. See? This is the original shape. But we're going to do a simple planar mapping. Select it. UV. Planar. Option box. Y as usual. At least for this series of modeling. Keep image width height ratio checked on. Apply. That will do this. And I'm okay with that. Right click, object mode. Now I'm going to do my bevel. Double click, shift, double click, shift, double click, shift, double click, rotate, shift, double click, shift, double click, shift, double click, shift, double click. And then from here, we're gonna go, I'm gonna close that. Make sure and double check. Alright. Hold on shift, right click and hold bevel edge. Boom. Nice. Now we got a nice little tight bevel. Then right click. You know what though? Shoot. I should add a bevel on that one. You know what? Nah. I can use this. This causes a nice little bevel over here. Pressing the 1. The 3. Smooth proxy. Yeah, not necessary. Alright, so we got that. So this cheese, Alright. Here's our bevels. Okay. And then when you do the smooth proxy, press 3, it will also update. For now, I want to grab these bevels, alright, in our UV editor. Right, right click, make sure it's selected. Over here, right click UV, select all of them like that, press R, and just scale it in a bit, like this much. Reason why is you want to give it some space over here, okay, for texture mapping. If we end up texture mapping, but we most likely will not, just rely on the shaders because it's just cheese. Right click, object. So leave it like that. So from here, perfect. Name it cheese slice. There you have it. And if I turn on these other guys, yeah. So give it about this much size. All right, proportionally. Okay, and that's the end of this tutorial. That was what, less than 12 minutes? So this will be your other homework. Okay, good luck, bye bye.